How to configure AI search settings in Perplexity. First, open the Perplexity app on your phone and sign into your account. Now, start a new search by tapping the search box at the bottom of the screen. Before entering your question, look for the search mode or model option near the search box. Tap it to view the available search options. Depending on your account, you may see options such as Pro Search, Best, or other AI models. Choose the option that best matches your search. For simple questions, you can use the standard search option. For more complex questions, select Pro Search to get a more detailed answer with deeper web research. You can also check Perplexity's settings from your profile menu to manage preferences, such as notifications, account settings, and other available options. Now, return to the search screen, enter your question, and tap the search button. Perplexity will search the web and generate an AI-powered answer with sources that you can open and verify. That's it. You've successfully configured and used the AI search settings in Perplexity. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips.